Hello everyone, I am Pranay Makwana. My roll number is IT069. Right now I am pursuing BTech in Information and Technology from Dharamsi Desai University as a third year student. Today I will discuss about flexibility in communication. So I will cover following points in flexible communication. First is what is flexibility? Second, why flexible communication? Third, how to add flexibility in your communication. Or is example of flexible communication. 5. Advantage of flexible communication. So let's start with what is flexibility. Flexibility means a person's ability to relate new way when necessary. Flexibility in communication has been recognized as an essential component of communication. Poor communication is the root of many problems. If miscommunication is to be avoided or at least minimized, we need to take care of consideration to who we are talking to. It's not sufficient to write or speak from our place of comfort. The most successful leaders are always aware of this fact. Flexibility in communication is not about changing who you are, but being flexible with your communication style is to better fit your audience. Consider for a moment when we are listening to someone and it is easy to understand someone who really get it. It's likely that have a very similar communication style to us. Whenever we listening to a global or business leaders, we feel that they are speaking directly to us, even if we are sitting in thousands of crowd. That is the kind of connection you can make with your audience by being more flexible with your communication style. Being flexible is a communication skill and it means to think and behave according to the situation. Almost every situation is unique. Therefore, when you are willing to vary your thinking and behaviors, you are the one that understand the situations, and because of it, it's your the means to change it or improve it. Now, let's discuss about how to add flexibility in your communication skill. We can increase flexibility by being ready to try new things, use wide variety of communication skills and modify your behaviors within and across the situations. Adjust yourself for different situation or for different peoples. This is the flexible communication. If your communication style is inflexible, then you may not be get your best result out. Like simple example is like that if we are talking with a small 1 to 2 year child, we are probably softened our words, even varied the tone of our voice from smooth to animated voice and even silly voices always. But when we are addressing to adults, we are talking them with a professional style. So every individual has preferred a professional and preferred style of communication, depending on that their personality style. Being flexible in your style of communication is the key if you really want to get that person. The main advantage of being flexible in communication is that it's give you the power of influence the people around you. We are living in the world where we all are different can be challenging but ultimately far more interesting and rewarding than if we all are the same. Think about what makes you tick and then find your communications depending on who you are speaking and what are you speaking to. Develop a more flexible approach to your communication and you will be able to bridge the difference no matter how wide you might be. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.